here. Nice sunny Saturday afternoon. My town, Lanceville here. We got that church back there, community hall, the Canadian Legion. Old timers get up here and get the well-deserved free drinks. Not free, cheap drinks. Nothing's free. Our post office. We got a pub over here. Nice view of the water. Making some improvements. Seeing our tax dollars at work here. I think we're going to get trees and planters and all the real necessities. But we're on my way to see Russ, another fellow VW guy. He loves his bugs, as do I. He's got some pretty nice stuff. He's working on a Ghia right now. 63, 64, I can't remember, but he likes his stuff stock, which is the hardest way to keep your car, in my opinion. A lot easier to do these hot rods and modified stuff than keeping a car true to stock. But I mean, this one's a little modified, little bit of paint work is all. The rest of the car is well, I shouldn't say that. He does have a performance motor in it, but the vehicle looks stock. You'll see it here in a bit. Anyway, bye for now. All right, just pulling up to my favorite gas station because right there, 94 octane, contains no ethanol. Gonna get a few bucks worth. All right.
Every time I'm doing something on this car, I look and I'm like, well, you know, while I'm in here, I should do that, I should do this, and it's like, I gotta stop doing that.
Well, one thing leads to another, doesn't it?
Well, like masking the door jacks, looking at those hinges, and there's no way you can properly mask them to make them look nice.
Yeah.
And I know they're worn out anyway. So
Right.
I'm like, man, I should just take the doors off. My buddy's already agreed to rebush the hinges. And, I just can't move myself to do it.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. So this I'm gonna be putting this on YouTube possibly. Yeah. So anyway, this is Russ's car. It's 64.
64.
64. Ghia. He's just painted the top on it, and very, very nice. Fairly original car. There's a hot motor in it. Some days hotter than others, hey? But oh, all right. We'll take a quick look at it. I don't know my Ghias and where the levers and latches are. So yeah, this is 1835, right?
1835.
And dual CADs.
bronze.
Yep. Ooh, that is a battery. Holy smokes.
That is the only reason that huge mother battery's in there. It was free. I
That's-
have a hard time saying no to free stuff.
Free is absolutely the best price.
Even though it was manufactured in April of 2005,
Wow.
it still works great.
Wow, I love your fuel lines on there.
Yeah, I think those are the stock cab run ones. Actually.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, it was part of the original kit that they came.
Wow.
As far as I've been led to believe.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, someday it will be back on the road.
Yeah. So anyway, you're up for repainting the dash here, and then
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, time to finally repaint the dash properly. We got rid of the dash pad because it was pretty far gone and the reproductions are crap, so
Yep. Yep.
decided to delete that. The early Ghias were painted on the top too, so I'm okay with that.
Sure.
modification.
Sure. Now, was the padded dash standard for this year
For this year it was.
in Europe and everywhere, or?
far as I believe it
Yeah,
was.
yeah, because I'm an American, but I live here in Canada, of course, and what I knew about bugs in America
Well,
doesn't apply up here.
there are
So
Canadian differences on the
yeah,
beetles. The Canadian custom beetle was different than the U.S. one.
yeah, it's funny when you get into a pissin match over the IRS transaxle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 69, everything after 69 IRS.
Well, here's a good example. This one has a swing axle in it. The original one was shot, so it's got a swing axle tranny from a 72 Canadian custom.
Sweet.
So it's geared for a 1600 originally.
Oh, nice.
And a lot of people swear that tranny didn't exist, but it most certainly did.
Yeah, yeah. Very cool. Very
Yeah,
cool.
there are lots of little things. But as far as I can let believe, the carbon Ghias for Canada and the US were identical, other than ours always had gas heaters. That was it.
Right, right, okay. And this is a Pearl White L87?
White,
Yeah.
L87.
Yeah, sweet.
Ruby
Let's sneak
red
past you
roof.
to the front here. Nice wheels. Love the sidewalls on those tires.
Yes, I have my white wall finish.
Have you watched any of the Bitch and Rides shows? Kin Diggett Design?
No, I'm not a huge fan of that.
Well, he did a Carmen Ghia a little while back, and he did some good stuff to it. You know, it wasn't too bad, but you know, he takes things just a little too far at times.
Well, I'm more of a restorer, so I'm trying to keep it fairly stock in many ways.
Right.
It's got the hood latch out right now.
Oh, nice, nice.
That's all refinished this time
Oh,
around.
okay. What's all this copper?
That is part of the fresh air, heated air mixing system.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the first things that has to go back under the dash.
Oh, okay.
Kind of had to do it now.
Right, right.
So as soon as the paint is done on the end of the side of the dash, that goes in first.
Nice, nice.
But,
Really cool.
yeah, this is all refinished.
Yeah.
Because it was quite gross under there before.
Well, I'm sure it wasn't as gross as a lot of them out there. You know, that's the thing about your cars.
At least it wasn't a mixed bucket. That was
Yeah.
the main thing. So I had something to start to work with.
Yeah, oh, beauty, beauty.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun when it's fine.
Well, we're back on the road, back to the house. Had a nice visit with Russ and talked about cars for quite a while, and he's doing pretty good on that Ghia. Hope to see it once he's got it finished. We'll be back to visit that, I'm sure. But anyway, so far this car's still feeling pretty good. Yeah, on the way back home now to see the grandkids and wrap up the day. Weather's looking a little sketchy out there, so yeah, get home, get out of the rain before it starts. Wouldn't know it from this. It's beautiful up here, but from the end of town I came from, it's really dark and gloomy, and got some dark clouds back there, so kind of racing those. But yeah, always a good day when you can get out and drive a fun old car. we've made it home. Catch you next time, guys.